We're dealing here with some ear hearing issues, and so we're going to go ahead and do an ear adjustment here. And there's a tube that goes from the inner ear down into the throat called the eustachian tube. There's also some bones inside the ear that move around with this adjustment as well. So really this just gets that inner ear canal opened and moving better. Any fluid in there gets drained out. And so the way we do this, we're just going to grab right in here. And we're just going to give it just a little tug like that.
This has been the most exciting and surprising reaction, because I can hear things in frequencies that I haven't heard for 20 years. It's not a miracle cure, but at the same time, that's made a huge difference in quality of life.
And you were a musician as well, right?
I play piano, and I obviously listen to a lot of music.
Yeah.
Man, I'm hearing things spatially.
Yeah.
that I did not hear. It was like hearing in mono, right?
Yeah.
So, that was a shock, but a great one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool.
Well, anything else about your care you want to mention today?
No, just enjoying it. Looking forward to the rest of the process. Appreciate it.
Okay. How was your neck adjustment today?
My God, that was the release. That was the one, dude. Thank you.
There we go. All right. Thank you so much for coming in today.
All right.